I've waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. Welcome back to another styling video here on my channel. As you can see from the title, we will be doing the Barbie ponytail on my locks today. Join me as I try for the first time, as I always do. But yeah, join me so you can see how versatile your locks can be as well. Let's go. I'm gonna start by sectioning the front. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the cute bang, but then I won't be able to wear it to work, so we're not. We're gonna just pull out like 2 rows just to kind of refresh that around the perimeter.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass. And 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving. So I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love. My love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps. My hump, my hump, my hump. My ex, they got you. Spending all your money on me. What you gonna do with all that junk inside that trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. What you gonna do with all that ass inside them jeans? I'ma make you scream, make you scream, make you scream. My hump, 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 my lovely lady lumps. Check it out. 'Cause of my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, hump, looking at my lump, lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy, and move my hump, 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 my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, in the back and in the front, my loving got you. Spending all your money on me and spending time on me.
Alright y'all, so I established my ponytail in the back, and this is the pieces that I'm gonna bring back through one of the wraps of the ponytail holder to wrap it around my ponytail. So I'm gonna pull this up, tuck these through. And so it should be easier for me to wrap these. All right, so we finally got it to my liking. So I'm glad it is what it is at this point. And now we're about to do the curls. He's fixed it. Alright, so this is where we stand. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, and we will see what we have tomorrow. If it comes out good, I'll be happy. If not, I'll be mad and there won't be no uploads. So good night. I'll see y'all in the morning when we take this down. Alright, y'all, it is the next morning and we're about to take these out to see what we working with.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't.
So far, I'm seeing the vision.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bought a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. He ain't know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive.
All right, y'all, so here is the Barbie pony, and I'm definitely feeling it. Obviously, my hair is not as long as it could be to create this look for a more consistent flip, but for what I have, I am in love with it. It's definitely a different look for me, and I like the way it's looking. Some of the locks are like flipped the wrong way, but hey, we're just having fun here. So if you like this style, let me know down below. Would you ever try a Barbie pony on your locks, especially if you have a ponytail already? If not, let me know if you can't wait to get a Barbie ponytail on your locks. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else here on my channel. And peace. Shout out to all the Barbies out there.